Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I have got another unbagging for you from Amazon. And I just want to say real quick, thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate every single one of you, and you all put a smile on my face every time you leave a comment or give me a like or anything. It just tickles me to death. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this diamond painting. I ripped the end totally off that. Alright, so this is a poured glue. So I'm going to roll it up. Alright, and look what I got, y'all. It's a 35 by 35, which I think, let me get my measuring tape out. I think it's a true 35. Nope, it's not. I lied. It is a 30 by 30 drill field. The canvas itself will be a 35 by 35, but that's okay. Because usually when you get a 30 by 30, it's actually a 25 by 25. So I guess we could say that this is a true 30 by 30. So what do y'all think? Isn't it cute? Boop. You just want to take and walk up and just start rubbing his little nose. Isn't it cute? I love cows. And then you got the sunflowers and you got the field in the back and the sky. Y'all, I only gave $4.98 for this cutie. Alright, so we have thumbnail up at the top with the canvas number and the size. We have a legend on the top left, and it has 24 colors, and they are going to be all letters, and it does have the DMC numbers listed on the legend. All right, and then we're going to have another legend over here on the right. So let's look at the drills and the toolkit real quick. All right, so with this toolkit, it's better than the average. So we've got 2 pins. One of them has a multi-placer on it, which looks like, it's either a 7 or a 9. I don't know, because I only use a 4. I've tried the 7, was getting sort of kind of good with it, but I was still finding that I was having to flip my pin around and try to straighten everything. So I just went back to a 4. I am comfortable using a 4, sometimes a 5. All right, so you get a green boat, a pink squishy, and a pink thing of wax, and a few baggies. All right, so these drills have the canvas number on the bags, but not the DMC numbers, which is fine and dandy because it's on the canvas. Sorry about the noise. All right. So let's look at these colors. We're just going to go through them. We've got, look, in my camera, this looks like a yellow, but it looks like a pinkish orangey color. Y'all, I do this in every video. I say something, don't I? Okay. Anyway. So we've got some grays and some greens and some more grays, some yellows, and my things are getting all twisted up. Sorry. All right, we have some more browns and some grays. Some pinkish, yellows, oranges, greens. And that's the drills. All right, so not bad. Colors are not bad. And it's very sticky. And let's just go down and look at the drill field. All right, so I like the fact that they have got on these darker colors, they have the white letter. And then on the light colors, they have the black letter. I love it when they do that. Not all canvases are like that. I don't see any blurry letters. I don't see anything that I can see that is fuzzy. I don't think there's going to be any issue with, I don't think I'm going to have any special lighting to do this other than what I normally use. There is going to be quite a bit of confetti, but that's to be expected with the smaller canvases, especially when they have quite a few colors. So, what do y'all think about this? You know what I think of when I see this canvas? I think of those commercials. I don't know if y'all have seen them or even know what I'm talking about, where you've got the guy out in the field with the cows. It's got something to do, I think it's milk. I think it's a milk commercial, but the guy is like comparing things, he's trying to be funny, but he's kind of dull. But he says that, well, whatever the cow's name is, well, Bertha must be a big dog. You know what I'm saying? But it shows the cows in the back. I know y'all know what I'm talking about with the commercials. So, all right, y'all. What do you think about this one? I love it. I think it's so wholesome looking. And it's just, I love it. I absolutely love it. And like I said, I gave $4.98 for it. So, does anybody else like cows? And I love sunflowers. Sunflowers are one of my favorite flowers. They're happy flowers. I love zinnias and I love sunflowers and tulips and irises. I don't know. They're just happy flowers. So, all right, y'all. I just want to jump on here real quick and show y'all the cow and see what y'all thought about it. So, leave me a comment and let me know. And until my next video, y'all, I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.